Hello guys, on this video I'm going to show you on how to buy electricity using Capitec app. I will advise you to watch this video until the end so that you won't miss any step. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This motivates me to make more videos like this. Let's get in. Hi guys, so first step that you're gonna have to do is to sign in your Capitec app. And then when you have signed in your Capitec app, you're gonna scroll down into buy electricity. So you're gonna click on buy electricity button. And then when you're on your buy electricity, you're gonna click and add new meter number. As you can see, there's a plus button at the top there, so you're gonna click on it. And then you're gonna click on meter name. So you're gonna name your meter so that you can differentiate it with other meters. So you can see I'm gonna write home electricity. So you're gonna choose a utility type. So on this buy electricity, you can pay for electricity or you can pay for water and water too. So here I'm going to click on electricity, and then here you have to add your meter number. When you're done adding your meter number, as for me I already added mine, so it won't allow me to add another one. And when you're done adding a meter number, so it's gonna ask you to you're gonna press add, and then it's gonna ask you to create a beneficiary. When you're done creating beneficiary, you're just gonna have to go back here and then you're gonna buy electricity, and then you're gonna see your beneficiary here. As you can see, as for mine, I've already created a beneficiary and put it in my house. Please don't mind, I don't have a house. Just that it was for place that I was renting at. So as you can see here, I can just write the amount of electricity that I want. So I'm just gonna say 21, and then I'm gonna press buy, and it will allow me to proceed. And yeah, so guys, that's how you buy electricity. So if in case you didn't get the meter number, you can just click here on the history, and then you're gonna see the electricity that you have bought before. So as you can see here, I've bought the 50 rand electricity, and you can see 246. Trust me, this 246 electricity lasted me for, I think, for a month. Yeah, for a month and a half. I never thought 58 watts can do that. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments, please comment down below.